Hello everyone, my name is Octavio Ramirez and today's video is about energy. What types of energy do you know? Please write in the comments below the types of energy that you know. Today we are going to see some of them. Can you identify them? Can you identify the first picture on the top left, like what type of energy this is, and next to it, and all of them? These are 4 different types of energy that we have. But okay, wait. What we use energy for? Is energy important or not so important? Let me see. What do I like to do? Well, I like to eat. I like to eat delicious food. I like to play video games. I like to listen to music. Is this possible without energy? Probably not. We use energy in the kitchen, playing video games, when you watch a movie, when you watch your favorite TV show, every time you take a type of vehicle, like a car, and when you go to an amusement park. Do you like going to amusement parks? What is your favorite attraction? My favorite attraction is the roller coaster. It's so exciting. So we use energy for all these types of things. For transportation, like a train or an airplane, a helicopter, every time you turn on the light in your house, in the bathroom, in your bedroom, every time we are using some type of energy. So these are some types of energy that are generated naturally in our planet. Let's begin with the first one. Solar power. Solar power is the first type of energy we are going to analyze today. What is solar power for? Is it only to go to the beach and get your skin tan? Is it only for that? Why is solar energy so important for us? So important for our planet and for us in general. Let's see. Well, we can use solar power as electricity. How? With solar panels. On the first image we see solar panels. When solar panels absorb solar energy, these panels transform the energy into electricity. Electricity we use every day to play a video game, to turn on the light in our bedrooms. That's incredible. We also like to eat delicious food. Solar energy helps a process called photosynthesis. With the photosynthesis, plants transform solar light, solar energy, into fruits, for example, into flowers. So every plant in the planet uses solar energy for photosynthesis. Another use of the solar energy is to the water cycle. Do you know the water cycle? I'm sure you do. The sun is in charge of heating the water in the oceans, in the rivers, and with this heat the water transforms into vapor, into steam, goes to the clouds, and after it rains. This is the water cycle, and the water cycle is possible with solar energy. What do you think? It's incredible, right? All these different things happen with the aid of solar energy. Plus, it's nice when it's a sunny day. Don't you like it? When it's sunny outside, you can go outside and play with your friends. Our next type of energy is wind power. Wind power, that sounds very strange, right? Power with the wind? Really? Yeah, really. And wind power is super useful for many different things. On the first picture we can see a flower. The wind is in charge of transporting pollen, also like the bees. You know, like these different insects or animals like bats and bees that transport the pollen from flower to flower. And this process is called pollination. Also the wind blows and transports this pollen from flower to flower. The wind also blows the clouds, and the clouds are a very important part of our ecosystems. Without clouds we don't have rain, and without rain we don't have animals, we don't have plants, we don't have fruits and food. So the wind power is very important to transport these clouds in the sky. And finally, do you know this type of structures? The name is windmills. The wind makes these windmills work, and when they are spinning, as you can see in the illustration, when they are spinning, they transform the power of the wind into electricity. The same electricity we use in the kitchen, or to play a video game, or in the amusement park. This is incredible, don't you think? Now let me show you a different type of power, and this is ocean power. Yes, the ocean, only by moving, is capable of creating power. How? Well, engineers can set different types of technology, different types of machines or structures next to an ocean, or also to a river or a lake. And just with the movement of water, these structures can transform the motion of water into electricity. And this is fantastic. Do you know if in your country you have this type of structures? Please write in your comments if you know this. And now the final type of power that we are studying today, and this is geothermal power. Geothermal is a word that comes from geo, and geo means earth. Do you study geography at school? In geography we study mountains, the rivers, but in general the planet Earth. And exactly, this power comes from inside the Earth. This power is the same power that creates volcanic eruptions, is the same power that creates geysers. In some parks there are geysers, and this is the result of the heat our planet has inside. So when you dig a hole deep, very deep, with a machine probably, you will find that the earth is hot, and this heat is transformed into energy. Now let's recapitulate. Let's see what types of power we have studied in this video. Do you remember the 4 names? Please write your answer in the comments. How do you call the first energy, the second, the third, and the fourth? Do you remember these names? Well, the first energy is called solar power. And solar power is responsible of photosynthesis. Exactly, great. So, how do you call the second type of power? The one with the clouds? Do you remember? That type of power is called wind power. Great. Now the third type of power, the one created with the motion of water, that type of power is called ocean power. Excellent. And the final type of power, do you remember it? It's a difficult word. Can you remember what the word was? It is similar to geography, and that is geothermal power. Excellent. But hey, I was thinking, I cannot see power. I cannot see the power created by the earth or by the sun. I cannot see, or can I? Do you think it's possible to see it? Let me think. Well, probably not. Probably I cannot see the power, but hey, I have an idea. Light! Probably light is created with some kind of power. With this type of powers, I can turn on the light in my room. So I can see a type of energy, a type of power in the form of light. But okay, what is light? I don't understand what is light. Who discovered light? Do you know? Do you know the answer to this? Who was the first person who discovered light? Of course, light has existed always in this universe. But the first person who discovered that light was a composition of different colors was Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton is from England, and one day, one sunny morning of 1665, many years ago, Newton was in his room and he had a toy. This toy was like a triangle, the one that you can see on your screen. This triangle, it's called a prism. And this prism took the light from one side and projected like a rainbow on the other side. So it's very beautiful. We can see that probably when you take a glass of water, and if you see how the light is projected, the light is decomposed into different colors. What colors are these? Well, let me count them. 1 purple, 2 blue, 3 green, 4 yellow, 5 orange, and 6 red. 6 colors. That was the result of Newton's experiment. Light is composed of 6 main colors. What is the difference between why 6? Why 6? Why not 8? Why not 7? Why 6? Let me see. Well, 3 plus 3 equals 6. Okay, that is simple. The first 3, red, yellow, and blue. What is special about these colors? What is different from purple, green, and orange? Well, the first 3 are called primary colors, and the second 3 are called secondary colors. In total, we have 6. If you make a combination of, for example, if I make a combination between blue and yellow, what color will be the result? Exactly, green. Green is the result. Blue plus yellow, if you make a combination, the result is green. Now, what color is the result of a combination between yellow and red? Perfect, orange. Orange is the result. And the final combination, blue and red, what is the result? Write your answers in the comments of this video. When you know the answer, write your answer. Okay, another difference is this. We have 2 different groups of colors here. We have warm colors, which are yellow, orange, and red. These colors normally are in the morning, in the afternoon, okay, with fire. So these are warm colors. Cool colors happen more normally at night, in the evening, or with ice. The color of ice, of some ice in the North Pole, is blue. The color of water in the ocean is blue. So these are the cool colors. And what happens when we have all of them together? They look exactly like this. They look like the result of Newton's experiment. So this circle, it's called Newton's circle, because it has the colors of his prism, of the projection of his prism. It's beautiful, right? Now, what do you think if we make a really nice experiment? All right, do you have probably some scissors and colors? Go get them. Go get them, and we are going to make a really nice experiment. We need this. We need scissors, we need a paper, we need... You can use an old CD to draw the complete circle. So you have a CD. On a piece of paper with a pencil, draw a circle. When you have the circle, you can use a ruler to divide this circle into how many sections? Exactly 6 different sections, because we have 6 important colors that we need. So we divide the circle into 6 sections. After that, we color the sections. In what order? Remember that we are going to separate first the elementary or primary colors. Do you remember which are the primary colors? Let me show you. We have primary colors and secondary colors. The secondary colors are the result of a combination of 2 primary colors. So first, in our circle, we are going to draw 3 triangles, and with the 3 primary colors separated like this. Okay? When we finish, we are going to draw the secondary colors. If you don't have this exact green or this exact purple, don't worry. Any purple you have, it's okay. Any green you have will be fine. Okay, so first the primary colors and then the secondary colors. Alright, when you finish, it will look like this. So on a piece of cardboard, you can use an old cereal box or some box your parents can let you cut. So you cut a circle, you can use the model of the compact disc, you can use it to draw the circle, cut the circle with the cardboard, and then with some glue, you can glue the Newton circle. Alright? When you finish, you need to make 2 different perforations. Okay, perforation 1 on top and another little perforation. The 2 perforations are in the center, but not exactly in the center. So what you can do is to perforate maybe the color yellow, like in the picture, and then the color purple, like in the image. Okay? And you pass the thread through these 2 perforations. That is one possibility. Another possibility is to use just a pencil, to put a pencil in the middle and to make it spin very fast. I will show you in a moment how it looks. It looks very, very pretty. Are you ready? So let me show you. Look, it looks like this. Wow, super nice. When you have a perfect combination of the colors, for a very, very, very small moment, you are going to see the color white. Okay, so that is the color of the light, and the rest of the colors are the ingredients of light. As you can see, when the disc is spinning the fastest, it looks white. Look, in that moment, it's just for a very short moment, it looks white. So you transform the colors, you combine the colors all together into only one solid color, which is white. Try it at home. Try it at home and write in the comments if you liked it, if it was easy, if it was difficult, and if it's possible to see the color light. Okay? Share your comments with us and share this experiment with your friends and with your family. Show them how to do it. Show them how incredible this is. You can put one disc with colors in one side of the disc and more colors on the other side, the same colors, so you can see from both sides. You will see this effect. Thank you very much. This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.